Good day everyone, I am Leah Joy Ponseca de la Cruz. I am from Bachelor of Secondary Education major in Social Studies. Today I will be discussing about gifted and talented learners and learners with visual impairments. This unit is about learners with special education needs. Gifted and talented learners show exceptional abilities in thinking, creativity, arts, or leadership. Knowing their needs helps teachers create an inclusive classroom where all students can succeed. By the end of this lesson, these are the objectives. Now, what is gifted and talented learners? Gifted and talented learners are children who perform or have the potential to perform at very high levels in intellectual, creative, artistic, leadership, or academic areas. They often need special programs beyond the standard curriculum to fully develop their abilities. These are the key characteristics gifted learners can be. First is intellectual, means fast learners with strong problem solving and memory. Second is creative, generate many ideas and think outside the box. The third one is artistic or musical, exceptional talent in arts or music. And also the fourth one is academic, excel in subject like math or science. The last one is the leadership, able to lead or influence peers positively. Now, are you familiar with Rinzol's dimensions? Okay, Rinzol's model helps teachers support gifted learners. The first one is content. Content means adjust curriculum depth and topics based on interests. Second one is process. Use group work, independent study, or methods that match learner styles. The third one is product. Allow students to show understanding through reports, models, or presentation. The fourth one is classroom organization and teacher rule. A flexible classroom environment helps all learners. Teachers act as facilitator or coaches, not just instructor, guiding students while modeling lifelong learning. Did you understand? Okay, let's move on to the next topic. Do you know what is learners with visual impairments? Now, learners with visual impairments have partial or total vision loss, even when corrective lenses. This affects reading, seeing the board, or navigating the classroom. Now, here are the types of visual impairments. The first one is myopia. Myopia means can see close objects, not far away. Hyperopia is can see far objects but not close. While astigmatism is blurry vision due to irregularly shaped eye. Here are the classroom strategies of visual impairments. That teachers can support students with visual impairments by ensuring good lighting and reducing glare, providing large print materials or using screen readers, letting students sit where they can see the board best. Then the last one is using verbal description and encouraging other senses like touch and hearing. So inclusive education removes barriers so all students can participate and succeed. Gifted learners need challenge to prevent boredom, while students with visual impairments need support like assistive technology or clear descriptions. Creating an inclusive classroom makes all students feel welcome, valued, and able to reach their potential. Teacher plays a crucial role in providing these supports and promoting equity in learning. Teacher plays a crucial role in providing these supports and promoting equity in learning. In conclusion, understanding the needs of gifted learners and learners with visual impairment is important for inclusive education. Using appropriate strategies ensures that all students can participate, learn, and succeed. Thank you for your time and attention, and God bless. Bye!